Webu Systems is an innovation leader for software licensing technology. The products of Webu Systems make sure that sensitive data is properly protected and licensed and travels securely through the connected world. They live up to the industry's highest quality standards and stand for exceptional reliability and durability, just like Avero by Bodt. The Avero workstation system is the perfect choice for manual craftsmanship at the very highest level. At Avero workstations, production staff can process and package their products. Selected Avero stations allow the employees to conduct additional tests. The desktop profiles and the triple clamping system help handle and position the workpieces precisely and securely. The Avero profiles were customized to match Webu Systems' corporate colors. The Avero variable workstation system adapts easily and immediately to any new requirements.